Hello guys and welcome back to TechWolf. Today we are going to do another CompTIA A Core 2 practice exam questions practice test. And if you are interested in more videos in different examinations for CompTIA, Cisco or Microsoft, I have a full playlist on my YouTube channel's homepage. Go into YouTube channel by clicking on TechWolf name under this video. But now, no further ado, let's get into it. So, and first question will be: a network engineer is setting up a new web application that needs to handle thousands of quick status updates with minimal latency. The application doesn't require guaranteed delivery, as association method updates won't affect a functionality. Which transportation protocol would be most appropriate for this application? TCP, UDP, SMTP, HTTPS or SFTP? And the correct answer for this question is UDP. And here, how you could tell straight away that this is UDP is that when you read the question, a network engineer is setting up a new web application that needs to handle thousands of quick status updates with minimal latency. Here, with minimal latency, the application doesn't require guaranteed delivery. So this means that it doesn't require guaranteed deliveries. This could be, for example, video files which straight away need to be updated, so it doesn't have a guaranteed delivery. So this would be UDP protocol, or user datagram protocol is designed for speed and efficiency with minimal overhead. It's connectionless and doesn't verify delivery, making it ideal for applications where speed is more important than guaranteed delivery. If you would be interested, or if this particular protocol would need more guaranteed delivery rather than speed, then we obviously would use TCP or transfer control protocols. That would be the correct answer for this question. And next question. And like I'm mentioning almost any of my videos which I'm making, guys, if you want to prepare for these exams, the best way is to do these practice tests for yourself. If you will not be doing them before real exam, you will most likely not pass these exams. For example, me, whenever I was doing like CompTIA, Microsoft or Cisco certifications, I was always doing 600 minimum, like up to 1000 practice questions for myself. So keep this in mind, because this makes you straight away to orientate in many subjects at the same time which are covered in exam objectives for a particular exam, so as it gets you to get used to real exam format. And next question, no further ado, guys. A Linux machine shows permission denied public key. What is the likely cause? Wrong SSH port, incorrect private key permissions, Cell Linux blocking SSH, DNS failure, or duplicate SSH keys. So which one would be the correct answer for this question? And here, if you know Linux, you know about these keys, you would know straight away that the correct answer is incorrect private key permissions, as SSH requires private keys set to 600 permissions. Anything else triggers denial. So this is also what you should know about Linux, about private keys. A user's mobile device has extremely slow Wi-Fi only on corporate networks. Other devices work fine. What is likely cause? And here we are talking that user's mobile device has extremely slow Wi-Fi or internet connection or internet delivery only on corporate networks, so only on kind of business networks. Other devices work fine. What is the likely cause? MAC filtering, captive portal loop, VPN always on policy, Wi-Fi 6 incompatibility, or DNS sec failure. And here the correct answer is VPN always on policy, as corporate MDM profiles force VPN tunnels, slowing traffic dramatically on wireless networks. And here we are talking about mobile device management, MDM. And next question, a laptop repeatedly prompts your credentials could not be verified. Domain password is correct. What is most likely wrong? So, if you're getting on your laptop, your credentials could not be verified and your domain password which you are entering is correct, what is most likely wrong in this scenario? Local time skew, BIOS password mismatch, Kerberos disabled, NTFS permissions incorrect, or SMB signing disabled, which would be the correct answer here. And here the correct answer is local time skew, because you also have to be sure or make sure that your machine's time is matching exactly the same time which is on the domain or, for example, on server. And explanation: Kerberos authentication fails if client and server clocks differ by 5 minutes. A user deleted files and emptied the recycle bin. What recovery method offers the highest chance of success? Windows file history, system restore, PowerShell recovery, third-party file carving software, or Windows reset. And here, correct answer is third-party file carving software, as deleted files remain until overwritten. File carving tools scan raw disk sectors for recoverable data. A Windows PC fails to join domain and shows the specified domain either does not exist or could not be contacted. What should the technician check first? So, you as a Windows PC fails to join a domain, we are talking about Microsoft domain, which shows specified domain either does not exist or could not be contacted. And answer options are DNS server settings, SMB ports, IPv6 status or status, account lockout, or default gateway. And here the correct answer is DNS server settings, as domain joining requires DNS to locate domain controllers. Wrong, DNS is domain not found. And yes guys, this is it for this practice test or practice exam questions. If you found this video useful, leave a like, and if you are interested in more videos, go to the channel's homepage where you can find many different other practice exams for different exams from CompTIA, Cisco and Microsoft. And see you in the next one.